completed our sidebar C like that. When I click any of the link, it will its page will be open here the right side like that. And I was also created this logout. And now in this video we create a, when I was click on this toggle, this will be collapse, like in the short form only this icon will display. And one more things, when I was click on the this sign in, let me just click this first. Yeah, if the user have already signed, then user click on the its profile, then here display the its email ID and name like that. We want to also do this. For that, let's go on the our VS Code editor, and first of all I do this toggle one. For that, let me just go on the VS Code. All I want to go on the this header section, and I want to do, let me just go. When I was click on the this menu, then this will be collapse. For that I will add one class name for collapse. This sidebar, let me just go, and this is a sidebar nav, and this is a sidebar container. Okay, now let me just go here, and where is sidebar container, and here I will give let me just check in the app.css. Yeah, here see I was given the this grid template column 240 pixel, and instead of here I will give the, let me just remove this for now, and see it will be like that. And after that here I will give the this grid, I will remove this grid. Now see it will look like this, and here I was already given minimum height, then why this will be not taking. Let me just check in the height section. Mm, Here I want to manipulate this value. For that, because I want to collapse this value, that's why what can do now here, instead of I will do this will collapse, here I will give the grid, then like that it will be okay, and this value will be collapse. For that, I will here add another class which name will be the main, and here I will give the collapse like this, and here I will give the grid template column, and here I will give the one fr, and here one fr also I want to give the one class which will be the name will be the sidebar. Let me just check, this will be in the mobile version how it will be displayed. When I was go on the mobile version, see it will be also displaying, but I don't want to display this in the mobile version. Like that I want to remove this in the mobile version, and then here I will create one class name dot mobile. Let me just check, I was created in the header dot css. Okay, I was not created, then I will go on the app dot css, and here I will create mobile. It will be displayed in the mobile version. For that, here I will give the block, but desktop version dash desktop will be not be display will be none. And let me just copy this both of them and paste inside the media query. Here I will paste this here, or instead of here I will paste here top side, and yeah, and here I will give the mobile will be none, and after that here I will give the display block like that, and this class name I will add. For that, this sidebar I will give the here one props class name, and this props I will pass just copy these props, and here I will give this mm, class name, and these props I will just copy this class name, and here I will paste this. But this class name will be not be for that. I think I will convert this one like that, and here I will give the template string. Here also I want to give, and after that I will here give the dollar and colon like that, and just copy this class name. Here I will paste this, and here I will give the little bit space, and after that here I will remove this one, and here I want to give the, why it will be closing here, I want to close here. Okay, and these both are like that. Yeah, now see, this part is done, and when I just go here, this will be in the mobile version display. When I click on this, then it will be display, but I want to, now I want to make this like simple format, and for that I will go here, where in the app.js. Here I will give the sidebar, I will give the one class name. Here I will add mobile. Class name will be the mobile. This sidebar display only the desktop, then I will give the desktop. Now let me just check. Okay, see, now it will be gone. See, and when I just go on the desktop version, then see this sidebar is coming, and I want to one more things. When this sidebar I was created this one, and this collapse, when this collapse will be active like that, when I was go on the small screen, and see this will be like that, and here I will give the, if I will give the desktop version. For now I was just checking purpose, I was giving the red color, and why these are not taking. Okay, I will give the main, where is main, and giving the background color red. Okay, it will be taking full, no tension, I think. Then I think no need of this. Now it will be done our part, and when I just go on the desktop version, then this sidebar will be display. Now I want to make this part will be done, and this toggle I want to make active and display or not. For that in the app.jsx, here I will create one state const use. Here I will give the toggle set toggle, and here I will give the use state, and by default I will give the false, because I by default I don't want to display the sidebar. And this sidebar I will make a not display instance, I will make a collapse. That's why I will give one class name, because I want to collapse this in the sidebar. Here where sidebar.js, this is a sidebar container. I will add one more class name. What is the name? Sidebar dot collapse. Like that I was give the collapse, and its width will be approximately, I will give the 30, or instead of giving like that I will give here app.sx, and here Okay, I was deleted. Dot main dot collapse, and here I will give the, let me just copy this, and here I will paste this, and here I will give the its width will be approximately uh, 770 pixel. Now let me just check this, copy this collapse, and after that I will go on the app.jsx, and here I will paste this. Let me just check it will be working or not. Okay, it will be not be working. Why? Mm, and after that, one more things I want to mention here. Sidebar, here I will give the, where I was given, here I will give the overflow hidden, not in here. I will give the sidebar. Mm, here overflow hidden, and why still it will not be done? Let me just check. Right click, go on the inspect, and it will be now. Let me just down this and increase the size of this width, and here I will check. See here this collapse, and why this collapse is not working. Let me just check. Desktop is working, and collapse. Okay, collapse class name is added, but here collapse like that, nothing is available inside here. See, collapse class name is coming. Okay, collapse class name is not coming. For that, let me just go collapse CSS. Why is not working? Here I was given the collapse. Just copy this, and again I will go here and again paste this. Now let me just check. Okay, still it will not be coming. For that, I think I want to make let me just check CSS. Inside the main tag I have this sidebar. For that I will give in the app here, inside the main tag I will give the collapse. Now let me just check, refresh this, and here I will go. Now see, in time this grid is not working. Maybe some display block property prevent the template grid. Okay, let me just check why it not working. Okay, I want to give in the main tag because I want to display changing the grid. That's why I will here paste, and here I will remove this, and now let me just check. Okay, and after that here I will just, this will collapse. Okay, it will be like that, and here I will give the, this will be all will be going like that, and instead of like that, here I will little bit increase this. Okay, now this will be okay, and after that all this title I want to display none. For displaying none, and for that here I will give the main dot collapse, and after that I will give the sidebar. Let me just come here, sidebar.js, and this class name I will copy this, just copy from here, and after the come here, and here I will paste this, and inside sidebar I have this title. Let me just go sidebar, inside this see this title. Here I will give the title will be display none. Now let me just check. Okay, now see, it will be display like that. And let me just little bit, if I give the 990 pixel, then it will be like that. See, it will be display like that. And when I was click on this button, then it will be go full of approximately width, full width. For that this part is done and this collapse condition is done, and only I want to, when I was click, then this will be done. For that app.js, and here I will give the toggle. Let me just copy this, and this first of all I want to change this in the form of a template string, because here I want to add the condition, that's why. And here I will give the dollar curly bracket, and inside curly bracket here first of all I will just give the this toggle, and if this will be true, then this collapse class will be added, otherwise not. Now here you can see by default this collapse is false, and now I want to set this true. For that, in the header section I want to fire the event. For that, let me just go on the header, this header.jsx, and where is this, here I want to add on click method, and here I will give the toggle, and just copy this props I want to take here. Here I will paste this, and after that again I will go on the app.jsx, and here header, why these are not here I will give call by function, and here set toggle, and first of all I want to give the previous value inverse here, previous value will inverse here. Now let me just check, when I just click, see, it will be like that happening. Yeah, and one more things where this was, and I would see this icon little bit sliding also. For that I was given minimum width. Let me just go in the sidebar.css, and where is icon, this, inside this icon I was given the height is 40 pixel, and I was not given the minimum width. Here I will give the minimum width will be also 40 pixel. Now let me just check, when I just click, and it will collapse. Okay, I think by default here as a padding I was given, where I was given the padding in now tag, in anchor tag, here I was given the padding 4 pixel. Okay, let me just remove this. Somewhere other I was given in the now bar, not in the now bar. Where icon, here I was given little bit, it will be sliding, see, little bit. And for that where I was given, I think it will be okay. If I will remove this, then it will be more, see, and here I will just remove this part, and I will add box sizing, border box. Yeah, now see, it will be proper working, and this collapse menu is done like that. When I struggle, then it will be happening, and this will be properly working. And now I want to make our this sign out button, this sign out button. For that I will go here sidebar.csx, and uh, here I will give the one function on the Firebase and check which function. Firebase sign out, and here I will go, and here some function, which function I want to check. Yeah, see, sign out from the Firebase. Let me just import this, copy this here, and here I will paste this. And get auth also I want to require, and inside the get auth I want to pass all the parameter. For that, like here in the header I was pass here get auth this app one. For that I want to just copy this app, and after that I will go here where sidebar.jsx, and here I will paste this, and here I will give the const handle log out, like that, and this will be the async function. I will give the async, and yeah, arrow function. Here I will give the const wait. uh, Once again I will give the auth equal to wait, and here I will use the get auth, and inside this I will pass my all this Firebase configuration, this app, this one which I was here, this one. And after that where here I will give the const sign out equal to wait, and inside this I will give the sign out, and here I will part auth, like the here, see, like these types of a, and this will be the giving some output. Let me just check console dot log and sign out. Now let me just check from my side. Let me open the inspect and go console, and first of all I want to log in. Click here. Now this login part is done, and when I was click, okay, why these are not happening? Okay, I was not call this function, just copy this function name, and after that I will go below this, and this where is logout, here I will pass on click, and here I paste this, and okay, here I was sign out. Let me just copy this, here I will paste, because I was using this one, that's why. Now let me refresh again, and again I want to sign in. Okay, now sign in done, and when I just click on the sign out, okay, it will be giving the undefined. And why this undefined is coming? When I just click again, why undefined is coming? I was path sign out path, and here get auth I was given, yeah. Why this sign out? Let me check on the doc file, and when I just go here and sign out, and it will be written the, when I was click on the fire the sign out, it will be written auth instant, and it will return the white. It means that nothing return will be done. Then we can do here, let me just check. When I just click, okay, undefined is coming. Instead of like that I will fire like simple auth. and here I will give the let me just remove this one and also this one, and here I will give the then here I was using like that. If this part will be done, then here I want to give the some I want to clear my all this value also which I was set. For that I want to call the my redux function which I was created in redux folder. Where is this one? And user slice. Now I want to call this handle login, and here I want to pass all this value will be empty. For that I will just go here, handle login. Where is in sidebar? Here I will import. First of all, here I will give the const dispatch equal to use dispatcher. Okay, dispatcher, and here I will import handle login from the redux, and here I will use, if this will be done, then here dispatch, and here I will give the handle login, and here I will pass a parameter. Let me just go on the header where I was setting. Here just copy this all this value, and I will come here sidebar.jsx, and here I will just pass all this value in the empty. Let me just remove this here, and after that I will give the here, and this image also empty, and after this access token. Yeah, now all this empty when I was click. Now let me refresh again, and when I was click sign in. Okay, now sign in done, and when I was click on the logout, see, okay, now see all this value is empty, and this login, okay, payload, and here see also this will be gone. Now logout section is done, and this toggle part is also done. And let me just check once more. When I just click this, why this little bit scroll bar is coming? Okay, no problem. When I just click on the here, uh, okay, now this sign in come, and when I just click here logout, see it will be empty. And also I want to give the little bit message here for logout person. First of all, I will fix this bug. When I will scroll it, why this were happening? For that I will go app.js. Here I was do something. Here I was given the minimum width will be 65. Here I will give the 66, 67, 70. Yeah, now it will be done. And now I want to create which part? Okay, this part will be done, and here this part will be done, and this also done. When I was click, then this sign is done. And now I want to display this one. When I was click on the profile icon, then display the user email ID and name and profile image like that. I want to also make this one. For that I will go header section, and here I want to display when user click on the its profile, this profile, here user, and here I will give the what is the inside the profile. I will give the div, and instead let me just create here. After that I will remove the from here, and here I will just random type, and here see where it will be displaying. Okay, it will be this profile image. When I just click, and where it will be displaying. Okay, here I was given the overflow hidden, that's why these are not displayed. For that, here I will give the user profile detail like that, and just copy this and come here header.css, and where I was given the profile image, here I will give here I will give the, let me just paste here, and this profile image I will give the position relative, and here I will give the position absolute. Now once again absolute. Now let me just check where it will be coming. Again sign in, and still not displaying. For that I will give the j index. J index will be 5. Right click. Why it will be not displaying? Mm, let me put this outside. Now check why this were happening. Okay, now it will be displaying here. Then why it will be? Okay, I will make here also, no problem. And I will go here, and here I will give the first of all background color, and this will be the white. Check. Okay, and after that here I will give the box shadow, uh, 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 10 pixel, and RGBA, and here I will give this 5 pixel. Yeah, like that. And I want to make this a little bit from the here, and margin from the right I will give the 5 pixel, and 10 pixel, or I will give the right 10 pixel. Okay, I want to make a relative with respect to the this tag. For that, this profile image, I want to respect to with respect to the this right. Let me just come here, and where is right, here I will give the position relative, and here now I want to make where is, here I will give the right will be approximately 50 pixel, and after this I will give the padding. By default it will be 10 pixel. Yeah, and this will be done, and here I want to insert my profile name and profile image like that. For that, let me just come here, and here I will go, first of all let me just create div class name, and here I will display the profile details like that. And here I will just give here, first of all I want to display my profile image, uh, class name giving the image and src, and after that here I will insert image, and here I will give the detail div class name and here I want to give the user details like that. And first one I will give the like a div, and here I will insert like a simple. Here I was given the name, and below this I will give the div class name. I will add name, email, and here I will give the like Amit @gmail.com. Now let me just check. Here see it will be look like this, and let me just copy this profile image are exactly same as like this one. That's why I will just paste here and just copy this one. Here I will paste this, and yeah, now let me just check. See it will be displaying here. Now I want to make this flex. Just copy this profile detail, and again I will come here. This is user profile detail, and yeah, here I will just add the comment uh, toggle profile image. Then this will display like that, and this below will be the sign in, sign out, sign in btn, and here I will paste this class name display flags. Now let me just check. Okay, and in between the gap I want to give the approximately 10 pixel. Yeah, and it will go up. I don't want to like that go up, it will go below this. For that here I will give the top 10 pixel. Yeah, it will be perfectly fine. And here display the this name will be bold, and yeah, and this email id. And let me just go here, header, and this here I will give the class name user detail inside name. Let me just come here, and here is profile detail, or I will just give this here name. And let me just check one more profile detail. Oh no, inside the user detail. Okay, profile detail inside user detail. Okay, let me just come here I want to add one more class, and here I will give the font weight will be 550 like that. And here I will give the this profile minimum width will be, let me just give the minimum width will be approximately 200. Let me just give the 250. Yeah, 250 is perfect. And this is our name, email id, and below this I will add some in the mobile version. Let me just see how this will be display. Let me just go on the mobile. See, in the mobile version it will not display like that, it will display here below this. For desktop version it will be okay. And yeah, now here I want to add some links inside this in the for the mobile version. And when I was go in that mobile version, then it will be display here. Let me just adjust this. It will be okay for this version. And here I will add one small media query. Here I will give the @media screen, and I will give the here I will give the max width. Its max width will be 900 pixel. and this user detail profile, let me just copy this. When it will be profile is less than 900 pixel, then I want to give the some like from the top side I want to give the 60 pixel, uh, little bit more, 50 pixel, okay, 53, 55, 54. Yeah, 54 is done, and now I want to give the full width, and here I want to remove the right will be 0, left will be 0. And why these are happening, I was given something more, and its width will be 100%. And okay, it will be coming with respect to its parent right one, that's why here I want to give the one more things. Here I will remove the this in the here I want to remove this absolute position where I was given here right. Let me come here, and here I will give the right position relative I was given, here I will give the none, simple. In the it will be display like that. Okay, it will go like that, but I don't want to like that. Okay, now here I want to make right will be 0. Now let me just check. Okay, right will be 0, and I want to make this here link. Instead of I will add here also, not making the big. For that, let me just come header.js, and I want to add a little big link like let me just come here. Here I will go side header, and here below this I will create now, and inside this I want to give the another list, and inside this I will give the now link like that. Let me just copy some navigation from the sidebar.jsx. Here let me just copy the like uh, this much, and I will delete which are not necessary, and let me just give the here and format this. First of all I want to remove this one home because we don't need of home, and sort also, yeah, only subscribe, like, and history. Let me just format this, and here I will go little bit up. Now let me just check. Okay, some icon I was not imported, let me just give here, and like also, and k clock also. Yeah, now see it will display. Now I want to make this all proper, and why these are happening. Okay, okay, this will be also, I want to remove this navigation from inside this. From here I want to remove this, and it will be inserted outside here. Now, yeah, now it will be coming here, and let me just design this. Here I will give the class name, sidebar. I will give the mobile nav, like that. Just copy this, and again I will come here, header.css, and below this I will go here. I will give the comment navigation for mobile, like that. I was added, and here I paste this. And first of all I will give the display flags. Let me just give the display flags. Okay, I want to give the first of all unordered list display flags, uh, flags direction. Instead of giving the display flags, first of all I want to give the padding will be 0. Yeah, and after that I will go mobile nav unordered list. Inside anchor tag I will give the display flags here. Now see, and after that I will give the alignment item center, and here alignment item center, text decoration none, and gap, and first of all color we inherit, and after that I will give the this icon which I was uses, like that. I will let me just do the same class name which I was given previously. For that here I was just copy this icon. No, I want to go on the sidebar. Here I was given the navigation, and this icon, let me just copy from here, and I will just paste on the header.css. Go below this, and this is here. I will paste this, copy from here. Yeah, now check this icon is all coming properly, and yeah, this subscription is working, like is working, she is working. Okay, and I want to make this active one also. For that active one also I want to copy. Here I will go, and where is active? Okay, this one. Let me just copy from here to here, and after that I will go here, and here I paste, and before this I will just copy this. Here I will paste this, and this mobile now unordered list active. Let me refresh first. Login. Why this active is not displaying? I want to keep the background color is also not coming. Why? Mobile nav UL unordered list nav tag. Okay, inside nav tag is not available. Yeah, now see, it will be coming, and it will be not taking full width. For that here I will give the width will be 100%, and here I will give the minimum width will be 100%, like that, and it will be now coming. And this now bar is taking, and this user profile detail also I was not given the 100%. Let me just give this also. Here this is user profile detail. Here I will go user profile detail. Here I will give the width will be 100%. Okay, now see it will be like that, and here I want to give the its width. Those so this, yeah, those so this is perfect, and yeah, now here displaying all this value, and inside the mobile version when I was go, let me just check how this will in the mobile version it will be display like that. See, now it will be perfectly fine, and now I want to make this toggle. When I was click, then this will be display, and for that here I will go, and this navigation will be display in the only mobile version. For that here I will give the mobile class name. Now see, this will become only display this one, and here I want to add some condition for displaying this profile user, this part. All for that let me just go top section, and here I will create one use state. Here const display profile, like this profile inform, set profile inform, and here I will give the use state. By default I will give the false, and let me just copy this one and go below this. Here I will use the curly bracket like that, and here I will paste this. Here I will give the ampersand and just cut from here, and here I will paste this, and yeah, like that I will paste this, and let me just format little bit. This part will be done, and here see it will be gone, and when I use toggle, then this will be display. For that toggling purpose, just copy this set profile inform and set display profile inform. Here I want to give the display, just copy this, and where when I was click on the profile image, here I will give the on click, and here I will give the paste this here, and call by function, and this also inside this also I will give the previous value, set the reverse value. Previous value will be reverse like that. When I was click, it will be display gone like that. It will be happening. See, it will be happening, and one more things I want to do here, and which will be our cursor. For that I will go on the header, and cursor, where is image profile. Here I will give the cursor pointer. Okay, now see it will be properly working. Let me just check once more, and when I just click on the sign in, okay, this will be done, and when I just click, okay, this will be done, and when I just go on the mobile view, and here I will go, see, when I just click it will gone, here click it will be displaying like that. These are working, and here I want to make a now in the desktop, like in the mobile version below this navigation. Let me just show you in the original YouTube, and let me just go on the mobile version here, and let me refresh first. Now in the mobile version you can see below this display the home, sort and subscription and library. All these are value like that. I want to add one more things. Here I will add mobile navigation like that. .jsx RAFCE. Let me just see functional component, and this component I will import in the here. Where is main dot here app.jsx, where is here, and below this I will import it below this outlet. Here I will give the mobile navigation and like that. Now let me just check where it will be displaying, and this mobile navigation will be displaying here. And now let also I want to design this part, and first of all I want to here go, and here I want to give the class name mobile navigation container like that. And here I will just random tags, and here for the designing purpose I want to create a css file, mobile, let me just give the mobile navigation dot css, and this css I want to import here, import mobile navigation dot css, and after that just copy this class name. Let me just double click, and after that here I will give the uh, first of all position or position fix, and now see it will be coming here. And here I will give the some height approximately 50 pixel, and giving the background color red for checking purpose. And here I will give the width will be 100%, and I want to make this in the bottom 0 and little bit okay. Now here I think fix, and inside this I want to insert my all this icon uh, navigation. For that here I will go and header inside the sidebar, and I will copy all this link which I want to insert, and just copy from here. After that I will go here navigation section, and here I will give navbar, and inside this I will give the unordered list, and let me just format a little bit, and here I will paste this, and yeah, now check. Okay, now link is not imported, no problem. I will import this, and this also I want to import all this icon, and this bike also, this also. Now let me just check. Okay, icon I want to give the, for the icon purpose I will go here, and in the top section where is icon, just copy this one. Here I will go in the top section, I will import this. Now let me just check. Yeah, now here display, and when I just click here, this is a history. Okay, navigation, okay, no problem. Now here I want to add why this icon is like that. Okay, no problem. Let me just design this part. I will go here, and inside the mobile container I have a nav tag, and second part will be the mobile container inside. Now tag unorder list. Here first of all I will give the padding will be 0 and display flags. Yeah, display flags. And inside this I want to remove the my taxes, all the text. For that here I will give the mobile now unorder list a title display none, like that it will be done. And I want to here this here navigation, here I will give the justify content space between. Yeah, like that. And here I will give the height, it will be approximately 50 pixel. And alignment item center, and why it will be going below this, uh, here I will give the, let me just give the background color some different, green. Okay, navigation I was given something, padding will be 0. And why these are coming, here I was by default I was given, then okay I think by default I was given the icon. Let me just copy this, here I will paste icons, to do the icon, padding 0. And let me just check. Mm, okay, will you display like that? Icon will be here. I think I want to give the here space around equal number of space will be distributed like that. See, and here I want to remove this bottom. Let me just give the 0, and here I will give the 0, and this height. Let me just remove this, and yeah, by default let me remove, and let me check why this padding is coming. Here padding will be coming 0. Why happening? mm, Margin will be 0. Here I will be the height will be 40 pixel. Yeah, now here I will give in the this one, and here I will give the flags start center. Why these are happening? It will go little bit down like that. I don't want to like that. For why happening? Let me just check to make a little bit up for that. Here navigation section I will give the margin top 10 pixel minus but why these are not coming? Okay, and let me just make the full screen. Zero pixel, and here I was given, I think, mobile navigation, nav link, another list. Here I will give, and the padding will be, here I will give the 0, and also margin will be 0. And let me just check background color rate. Okay, why this not red? Here I will give display flex. Yeah, now it will be red, and after that I will give the height 40 pixel. Okay, minimum height will be 40 pixel. Why these are not happening? Here I will add a width. Where is here? Height 100%, width 100%, and I also just copy this here. Here I paste this. Justify content space around, yeah, like that. And after that I will give the our font icon. Here I will add padding 10 pixel, and it will be go below this. Instead of going below, I will give the here margin top side minus 16 pixel, minus 20 pixel, 25. And after that I will give the font size, it will be 18, 20. Let me just cut from here. I will go on the icon section. Here I will give the 20, 22. Yeah, and here I will give the color inherit. I will give here color inherit, and remove this background color. For that I will give the width will be, height will be 45, and here I will give the 28, 30, 31, Yeah, now it will be okay. And when I use for mobile version, it will display like that. And yeah, in the mobile version it will display, I will give the 50. And this font size little bit increase this, 24, 30, 28. Yeah, 20 is perfect. And now I will remove this background color. Yeah, and this, where is this background color? And this background color, now it will look like this. And I want to add a top side. For that top side I want to add the border. We can add here border from top 1 pixel, solid, f5, f6, f9. Okay, it will be displaying very much less. And I think where I was given, yeah, now it will be perfectly fine as the in the YouTube version like this. And I want to display the text also in below this, where I was remove this text giving the display none. Let me remove this. Now check, text is coming but it will be not be okay. Here I was given the display flags. Let me remove. Here I will give the display display flags direction column. And below this I want to display for that here I will give the 48. And after that I want to go little bit up. Let me just give the again background color red. And this will be go up. For that here I will give the 35, 38. And below this I want to display our text. Let me just check. Mm, why text is not displaying? This color will be the black. Let me remove the this top 0. First of all we design, after that I will give. And you see it will be giving like that. And now mm, let me comment this part and here. And why this wall not coming inside this? Here I will give the font size will be 12 pixel. And here I will give the text decoration none. and test alignment center. And now I want to view this home sort like remove this subscription, like okay, subscription is have. I want to remove the like. Okay, okay, now this will be done, and here this padding is coming. Let me remove this here. Padding 0, margin 0, and these are by default this padding is coming. Let me remove this. And somewhere other I was given this anchor tag. Let me just comment this. And on order list I was given flex, direction, justify, and alignment item center. And this will be coming in the above for that, like that. Instead of 38 I will give the 28, 29. Our text will be go little bit up. For that here I will give the margin minus 5 pixel. Yeah, now here where I was given, here I will give the 28, 25, 20. Yeah, like that. And little bit more go text above. For that here I will give the 7, 8, 9, 10. Then now it will okay, and here again I will give the 9, 18, 15, 16. Yeah, 16 perfect. And now I want to give a little bit more height. I will use the 50 pixel. And now I want to make this in the bottom. For that here I will just on this bottom. Yeah, now see it will be here fixed, and remove the background color. Yeah, now see it will be display like that when I click subscription to. Okay, now everything working properly, and our this mobile navigation bar is also done. And this mobile navigation bar display only the mobile, like when I was going the desktop, then also this also display. For that here I will give go, and here I will add one class mobile. Now again I will go on the mobile version, and here you can see it will display. Yeah, now when I was click, see this will be go below this. For that let me just go here, and here I was go on the header.jsx or header.css. Here I was given the position absolute. Here I will give the position fixed, and now click. See it will be taking full width, and here it will be properly. And now let me just go here. It will be going like that. Okay, here I was given the right that's why. But here I was created the one more. um, Here I will remove his height will be width will be 80%. It's 100%, but its max width will be approximately 250. Yeah. Now let me just go here, and when I just click, okay, now it will be perfectly fine. Okay, now this part will be done. And now in the next video we created our first video, which will be display here. And this here all the video will be display. Now thank you for the watching this video till this, and all this navigation I was created. Now in the next video just wait for displaying the all the videos. In the next video we make the our thumbnail part. Now thank you for the watching this video. Thank you so much.